206 Cadillac STS. I was getting a problem with the door. Couldn't get my door handle come out, but I did get it out. But the problem was it wasn't opening on the outside, but the inside you gotta open it from inside. You see, inside has a cable, so you can't get locked inside. So Cadillac, I give you a B plus for that STS Cadillac. But I decided to attack it today, and I get the door handle. As you could see, it's kind of dark in there, you can't see, but basically if you take out your panel, there is two screws right in your door handle. You're gonna get two screws there, then one, so it's basically three screws you got to take out, and then everything is just clipped. You just unclip and just pull out. So anyway, when I reach on the outside, I get the door handle pops out. I didn't have no electrical cleaner, but I did have a little bit of carburetor cleaner gunk. I sprayed a little bit on it, and you wouldn't believe what happened when I sprayed a little bit. As you could see the two little people. That's it. There's the micro switch. You could see one right here and one to the back. There's two micro switch. So I sprayed the carburetor cleaner because I didn't have the electric cleaner, as I said. So hear what happened when I finish. You could hear that sound. I wasn't getting that sound before I took my door handle and sprayed that carburetor cleaner. So guys, sometimes that's all you gotta do. Instead of going by the dealer, charge you a whole heap of money for simple little thing you could do yourself. Do it yourself. Don't forget, subscribe, like. You're gonna get more videos of how to do it yourself. Any comments how to do it yourself on brakes, any question you guys have, if I can help, I will do a video on it. If I can't, I'll let you guys know. But simple little thing. Took all those rubber grommet out, and I look through, get the handle out, and now I want to give it to you guys one more time. See, I wasn't getting that sound at all. So now I definitely know my door gonna open it when I pull that handle. Ciao, subscribe, like. Cadillac STS 2006 outside door handle.